trains.
I thought you guys were going back.
Trains. Trains.
It's probably going 50 miles an hour.
Yeah. Look, it's heading
Wow,
right
look at
under
that.
us.
Is that crazy?
Yeah.
You just jump on one?
No.
I think we'd have to jump now to get on the red one. Now to get on that one.
Look at how long this train is, guys. It's heading right under us. Like, holy cow, guys, look.
Ready? Ride your bike back here again? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's walk by the house, back to the house.
Alright, bye, train.